Hi, Sketchup friends. Today we're going to draw this adorable teddy bear ice cream cone with Posca markers. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with the cone. So we're going to draw two dots. That determines the width of our ice cream cone. And then we're going to draw a foreshortened circle. Okay, we're going to draw two lines down. And you see this curve right here. We want to match that curve. And that's the top of our ice cream cone. Now from here, you can obviously decide what shape you want your ice cream cone to be. I'm going to go for a little bit more of a cone-shaped ice cream cone. And we will have some construction lines, so I always say draw light, because it's easier to erase. So for the texture on the cone, I'm going to do 3 diagonal lines. And then I'm going to draw 3 more across. Now we're going to do the shape of the bear's head. So his head makes up that little scoop of ice cream on top. You can see I'm erasing out this construction line for the top of the cone because we would not see that. So now we're using overlapping. All right, so now that we have the head roughed in, I'm going to start off with a little cheek here. So I'm going to kind of curve a line out to the left. It's going to create the cheek of this little teddy bear. I'm going to add the ear. Go back and add the inner part of the ear, this half circle. And obviously we have the ear on the left now we're doing. Now I'm going to erase off this top part of the cone because we're going to have our drippy ice cream going over the edge. So I'm just going to go in with some wavy lines, creating these drips. And the drips are another example of overlapping. And that's one of our techniques to create space, making a flat object appear to be three-dimensional. Add another drip here, dripping down the ice cream cone. So I'm going to curve a line a little bit to the left, so this bear's turned to the left a little bit. And then on that center line, I'm going to go ahead and add the nose and the mouth. Got to add those rosy cheeks in. Oh, look how cute this little guy's becoming. I'm just going to go in with a Sharpie marker. It's always a good idea to have a fine detailed marker for the eyes or the nose if you need it. Okay, so this is just a brown Posca paint marker. I'm going to get it to put down a base color here. And then my medium brown is going to be the cacao brown. You can see we're building up the shadows, so we're seeing the light sources on the left-hand side. A little bit of beige for the snout. Now for the base coat of the cone, I decided to use light orange. Then I have some orange. I'm going to go over the top of that with beige. For the shadows for the cone, some brown. Those rosy cheeks in. And we've got it, guys. We're pretty much there. Like I said, if you want to add extra details, go for it. Whipped cream, cherry, sprinkles, and all those things. Well, if you love doing this 3D drawing with me, check out my 3D drawing playlist. I've got lots of these and a lot more to come. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.